I'm really excited for what we have planned today.
I'm really excited to spend one more day in the sun and the warmth before we head home to snow tomorrow.
It's going to be a beautiful day on the water. We have booked a fishing excursion for this afternoon. We're going to be spending the next 3 hours out on the water, and pretty sure we're going to stay in the bay area.
It's pretty windy out.
I'm excited to see what we catch. Hopefully we catch something. Here we go. Just chilling.
Time to get our fish on.
Sweet.
We're gonna run that way to the north, up towards Price's Key. Okay. And the reason for that is because we want to drive into the wind and then get that free ride home. So
okay.
It might be a little bouncy on the way, and hopefully calmer on the way back. And we're gonna go tuck behind there, so it'll be nice and calm where you're at. So
awesome.
You get the audio and stuff.
Great.
Perfect.
All right.
Thank you so much.
I turned on.
Oh yeah, there's a line right there. I didn't see it till we were on it.
All right, here we go. Wow, is that even a foot deep? Oh wow, shark. Shark. Right there. Shark right there. Yep. Right over the sand.
There it is. Oh my gosh.
Back in the grass.
Friendly.
Oh no! Oh. Bait lifted off.
That's crazy.
Now I lost him.
Where'd you go, Sharky? He went that way.
That way,
We're going
yeah.
this way.
Do shark travel in groups like dolphins do?
Sometimes they do, yeah. Sometimes they're on their own. That was a bonnethead, though. It'd be nice if we could get him. Oh, he's freaking out. A pinfish, that is.
No, the bait. So the bait's heavy enough that you can feel it?
It was going. Almost there.
Oh, something just jumped.
Yeah, hauling up there.
Is that a fish or a bird?
Fish. They're vegetarian, though. Down here. Alright, we're about to arrive. Something big out there.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them. Look at them all jumping. Do we have any lettuce to put on the... Oh yeah, look at right here is a little hole.
There's two.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
He's like, no, I'm out of here. You ever see needlefish? There's some.
Oh, you can see them. These are mangroves, aren't they?
Uh-huh. Look at my mullet there. Look at all of them.
Are mullet edible?
Smoked only.
Okay.
That's kind of the deal there, the strategy with mullet is smoked mullet. Right, up on the surface, whatever. Oh, that was a fight.
Oh, it's little. Oh my gosh, but he's so cute. Oh, and he's dead. Yep.
He's not dead.
He can live through that?
Yeah, probably.
Are his gills always
That
that
was
red?
something big out there.
Could watch them all day.
Stay away from my stuff, needlefish.
Is the back motor on?
No.
Okay.
I got something going.
There it is. Oh, Snook! We grabbed that.
There we go.
Nice, buddy.
You're also trying to fight him on a 3000. That's always awesome on light tackle. So what I would do is pull up and then reel on the way down, nice and gently. Get him more out. Hopefully they got it tied down now. Big swimming towards us. Alright.
Woo! Fish on. He's like, boat, bad idea. Oh my god, cool, honey.
No, get out of there. Got him. Awesome.
Nice. All right. Cool. Nice.
Awesome. Yeah. Very cool.
Oh.
A little short. So we're gonna revive him. We're gonna let him decide when he wants to go. And see you later.
There he goes. Awesome.
Lives on.
That was exciting.
Nice job. How exciting.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Nice and gentle on him. Oh, you got Snook too. That was huge. No, you're good. That wasn't your fault. Okay, I got something wrong. Couple of quick bumps. I think it's not a small Snook. I don't know. I think it was smaller than the last one.
Kind of acting stuckish, maybe.
Where are you going? Where are you going? There little Snook. Oh, that didn't work in my favor. I missed him. There we go. I got him. Look, him in the boat. Little guy. What are you doing out there, Pee Wee? Yeah. Perfect hook. Right in the corner.
Yeah, he's wiggly.
Yeah, they get it fired up. Little guy. Yeah.
All right, look over here.
Oh yeah, look at him.
Fish number 2 for you. Nice.
It's exciting.
The crowd will do that. They'll hit it and bump it, and they feed in a circular pattern, so they'll come back for it.
Don't see it anymore though.
I'll get you a fresh bait anyway once you're done.
Oh no, he's still in there. I'll just cast him back out. He's fine. Well, I guess I don't know if he's fine or not. Not really sure what. He's actually kind of fine. Are you sure?
Yeah, he got hit. His eyeballs missing.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
There's a fish. Oh,
Nope.
They gone.
I don't think it's very big, whatever it is.
May have to put you a bigger bait out here. Oh.
Nice tricks. I don't know if I have any. Oh, I do have a guy left.
You got a needlefish that's eating.
Oh, no, go away. Oh, I got a fish. Nope, I don't.
He's chasing it. We might have to move to get away from the needlefish.
He's determined that he's going to have my thing. I got you. I don't think you're on my thing, though. I don't know what I want him. Oh, he jumped.
He just took it off your hook.
No, asshole.
Heading into another spot. Hopefully we catch some more fish. I'm hoping Diana gets into one.
Come back up, Dalton.
Where?
They're right in front of the boat. Yeah, they can hold their breath for a little while. They're there. They went that way. Oh, I should have said, by the way, they're coming at us. They're way over there by that side.
Crazy.
What is that? Oh, over your line.
Y'all got dinner plans tonight?
No,
Not
tonight's
yet.
like the first night that we don't have dinner plans. We've eaten at the Oyster Bar.
All right. Ugly Grouper?
Ugly
haven't
Group.
ate there
No,
yet,
we haven't
but we
eaten
have-
there.
You just
Drinks
had some
there.
Drinks.
Yeah.
Right on.
Oh
Beachfront,
yeah, the beach hut. They're like huts on the beach. That's just like close
Kokomo
to
Hut.
okay.
Coconut Hut.
Gotcha. Man.
That was the first night. Actually, it was really good. We had some really good grouper there.
Here you go, Dave. It's still there.
Oh yeah, he is.
It's a snook.
I didn't think it was there.
He's trying not.
You got him. Look at that.
Well, I didn't catch him. Just really.
I didn't think I caught him either.
Come on, buddy.
This is the hardest part right here. To get him to the
He's
boat.
trying.
He ate that pinfish though.
There you go.
You weren't the targeted species for
let's-
that pinfish, but that's all right.
Grabbing him back. Use two hands. Oh, 'cause he's. All right, I got him. I got him.
I'm
right.
like, I can't release. He's got my finger. Oh,
All right. So should I just?
you can just set him gently right back in the water. He'll swim off.
Sorry about that. Really?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that was fun.
That beta crew in there, they were chomping on it. Oh, stuck in the tree.
Oh. Oh, something over there too.
Yeah, that could have been something pretty healthy there. Come on, baby, eat it.
I
Eat
go
something.
back behind you. I'm never gonna get my cast in between where you are and he is. That's not gonna happen. Not in a million years.
It'd probably be alright since it's 25 pound, but it nicked it pretty good. Uh-oh. There you go. Nice save.
Just frying out here. Because I can. The weather's perfect.
He ate it.
Oh.
No, he ate it. I mean, he's on there.
Oh.
Here, catch you a speckled sea trout.
Oh yeah. He's not as fun as the Snook.
He's also tiny.
Oh.
I don't know which way you're going.
Cool. Hey dude, you're very cute.
Little guy.
Yeah, he
He's
is.
not what we were trying. We were trying to catch the bigger one than him. Don't put your finger in his mouth. He got sharp
But you
things.
can hold him around the.
Yeah, I already got something for you.
He's softer on the outside, right?
Yeah.
I should be able to just like hold
Yeah.
him. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, you gotta move to your left.
All right.
See you later, buddy.
See you later. Just put your back in the water. There you go. Oh, yep, there he goes. I'm like, he is not leaving, but he did. I got rid of him. He was missing both of his eyeballs.
Oh, that's not fun.
So I didn't. Oh my gosh, I didn't want to touch him. Got something?
I don't think so. Well,
at that guy. He was huge.
Found a juicy one in there. Huh?
No, that's not the one. Okay, now hang on a second. We're gonna be super happy. I choose you. You're welcome. Oh yeah. Oh no! Okay. Alright, so you're doing it a little bit farther up here, less close to their eyeball. And right through like that.
Wow.
That's how you stop.
Nice job.
Concerned that you're nice. What you got?
Hallelujah. Oh, he's fighting now. He's like, nope, I'm not coming up, y'all. What do you got there? Oh, it's a catfish. I don't need this. Oh.
Oh, gross.
Yeah, it's not pretty.
All
There
right.
we go.
See you later. Gross. Okay. Nope, your bait's gone too.
I flicked it off.
Oh. What do you got?
Where you going, dude? He's gonna go this way.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. He's fighting. Please tell me it's not another cat. He's saying down, so it probably is. Big catfish. Alright. We ended up with a catfish.
It happens.
Or ugly or yeah. People yesterday when they keep them, I'm like, okay. Couple of snook, couple of catfish.
That was so fun.
Everybody makes fun of me. They're like, why are you coming straight up the back? I said, because that way I know what. What a great experience that was. We had a ton of fun out there with Dave from Fish AMI. Thank you very much. We appreciate having an excellent afternoon. It was nice to catch a few fish, even though we didn't catch catfish. We would definitely recommend checking them out if you ever want to. Pretty cool. I'm hoping Diana gets into one.
Diana doesn't care that much. She's just here for the sun. Stuck in your hat. There we go.
What do you think so far of some, what I was going to say, what we call this?
Fishing?
What do you think of fishing in the bay so far?
It's okay to touch bait and live fish and then just like eat stuff, right? It's crazy to think. Wait, hang on a second. How long have we been together? 8 years? Okay. It's crazy to think that 8 years ago, this was my beer of choice.